Every person's financial journey has a moment that changes everything. One day, you check your investment account and think, I'm barely making progress. Then suddenly, your money starts earning faster than many people make at their jobs. It's not magic, it's math. Wealth myths. When you think about building wealth, what comes to mind? Maybe a guy in a suit making complex trades, or someone who inherited a trust fund from their rich aunt. The truth is, the people who actually build real wealth aren't always the highest earners or the biggest risk takers. They understand one simple, powerful principle. Your net worth doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows like a snowball rolling down a hill, slow at first, then accelerating until it becomes unstoppable. And there are three key points on that hill where your snowball gains so much momentum that everything changes. The three milestones. First, $100,000. Second, $650,000. Third, $1 million. Most people think reaching 100,000 means they're 10% of the way to a million. They're wrong. And this misconception is exactly why many give up before seeing the real magic. People imagine wealth building as linear. Save $10,000, you're $10,000 closer. Save $50,000, $50,000 closer. Makes sense, right? Reality is far more encouraging. Invested correctly, your money starts working for you, earning returns on top of returns. First milestone, $100,000. Let's say you invest $500 per month, roughly $125 per week. Not huge, but manageable for most people. At a 7% annual return, it takes roughly 7 years and 9 months to reach your first $100,000. Initially, most of that $100K comes from your own contributions. Compound interest is just warming up. $46,000, your contributions. $54,000 returns from investments. It's slow at first, but you've laid the foundation. This is the hardest part. Next milestone, $200,000. Here's the kicker. It takes only 5 more years to double your money. Your money is now working for itself. The snowball effect is real. Second milestone, $650,000. Around year 22, your portfolio hits $600K, the second major tipping point. Why is this critical? The median household income in the U.S. is $78,000 per year. With $650,000 invested at 8%, your passive income is around $52,000 annually, almost replacing a typical salary without commuting, bosses, or office politics. At this stage, your relationship with risk changes. Start a business, learn new skills, travel while you're young. Real wealth isn't about showing off, it's about freedom of choice. Third milestone, $1 million. By year 29, with the same $500 a month at 7% returns, you reach $1 million. This isn't just a number, it's a psychological shift. You now see that building wealth is possible for ordinary people, not just trust fund kids or crypto lucky ones. The first million is like graduating college, a huge achievement, but only the beginning. Growth becomes easier from here. To 1.5 million, 50% growth. To 2 million, double. To 3 million, plus 50%. Each new million requires less effort if you maintain the discipline. Understanding compound interest changes how you see every financial decision. An expensive dinner tonight isn't just $200, it's hundreds in lost potential investment growth over decades. Worried about market crashes? Long-term disciplined investing actually helps you buy more shares at lower prices, which pay off when markets recover. 3 milestones that transform your wealth. 1. 100K compound interest kicks in. 2. 650K substantial passive income. 3. $1 million financial and psychological breakthrough. Math doesn't lie. Patience pays. Start investing consistently today, and 29 years from now, you'll either thank yourself or wonder what could have been.